Hello, my name is Marita. Thank you so much for being here with me at My Kitchen Intuition, where I will teach you how to cook Peruvian cuisine using your intuition. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Chicha Morada. If you don't know what it is, it's a delicious drink, very popular in Peru, with amazing health benefits. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Chicha Morada is one of my favorite non-alcoholic drinks that I used to drink when I was growing up in Peru. Very popular in Peru, especially in Lima, and it's using a main ingredient, which is Maíz Morado or purple corn. We have in Peru a lot of varieties of corn, and this especially is a great one. It's actually considered a superfood, and other than make delicious things, it's also very good for you. And the reason that I'm telling you this is because it's really good with antioxidants, it's good for losing weight, it lowers the cholesterol, it's great for healing with cancer, and it's also delicious. So Chicha Morada is a very simple drink to make. And at the end, when it's done, you can sweeten with sugar and lime, but for me, because I love it, because it's so good for losing weight, I only use lime. Sometimes I don't really put sugar. And it's so flavorful because it's also made with pineapple rind, apples, and I was lucky the other day I found cans. I remember this in my family, they didn't really use apples when we make chicha or the dessert made out of the purple corn. We use skins, and I went to the farmer's market the other day and found it. I was like, oh my God, I'm so happy I found this. So today we're gonna use the skins, and we're also gonna use a green apple. We're gonna use our main ingredient, which is our purple corn, or Maíz Morado in Spanish. We got pineapple rinds, and we got cinnamon, and we got cloves. It's so simple. It's pretty much with 5 ingredients you can make this delicious drink. So the first step to make the Chicha Morada, which is, I already explained, has very little ingredients, is to take the kernels out of the corn. So this is how we do it. This is so we get most of the corn when we make the juice. I remember in my family, at parties, it was a huge pot of Chicha Morada cooked early in the morning. I remember these huge pots cooked by my grandmother or sometimes my mom when it was a party at my home, and it was just of Chicha Morada. And actually I'm just kidding, not just Chicha Morada, it was Chicha Morada and mazamorra, because we always decorated our tables with the purple juice and the purple corn when we had our party table. So I'm just going to use 2. I'm gonna make a little bit, I'm gonna put it on the side, and then we're going to I'm gonna quarter this green apple, and I'm going to quarter the quince. Okay. And I'm going to add the pineapple rind. It's just the rind. It's not really the pineapple, it's just the rind. These ingredients here are like so good for you. Like all together, they are great. They are great anti-inflammatory, and everywhere I go, I will bring this recipe for Chicha Morada because it's really good for you and it's delicious. So we're going to add our cinnamon and the cloves, and we're going to bring it to the pot. So we're going to add ingredients on our pot here, and then we're going to add water. So everything that I mentioned to you is here. Now we're adding the water, and the water has to cover the ingredients. Okay. Now we're turning our pot, and then we let it cook. the chicha boiling right now. And I would suggest let it boil for another 20 minutes. And after that, you strain it and let it cool. Once you let it cool, you're going to sweeten, if you like, with sugar and add some lime juice. So here you have it, my already finished chicha morada. I added a little bit of lime juice to be on the healthy side, but if you like it sweet, you can add some sugar. It's really good. And to top it off, I'm going to add some chopped pineapple. And if you want to make a different version of sangria, you can actually make it with chicha morada. And I'm going to taste a little bit. It's early in the morning and it's so good to have it early in the morning and really feel good with my body with this. Oh wow, delicious. Okay, well, thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please join my tribe and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And please subscribe, like, and share this video. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much.